Elon Musk is known for his bold acquisitions and ambitious plans. From Twitter, now X, to Tesla and SpaceX, Musk has reshaped industries. Recently, speculation has emerged around four intriguing companies he might buy. In this video, we'll explore why these companies could be on Musk's radar, how much of his wealth it would cost to acquire them, and what it could mean for their future. TikTok, a social media powerhouse. Why it makes sense. TikTok's global influence and massive user base align with Musk's vision for X as an everything app. Reports suggest the Chinese government might consider selling TikTok to avoid a US ban. The story. Musk's interest in expanding X into a comprehensive social media platform was amplified after he acquired Twitter. With TikTok's short-form video format dominating online engagement, Musk's cryptic question, "What's TikTok worth?" on X sparked rumors about his intentions. The speculation was further fueled by his criticism of social media giants for lacking innovation. Potential impact. Acquiring TikTok could accelerate Musk's push into social media dominance, integrating short-form video into X's estimated cost. TikTok's valuation is estimated between $75 billion to $100 billion, with Musk's net worth around $421 billion as of 2025. This acquisition could cost approximately 18% to 24% of his wealth. Challenges. Regulatory scrutiny, especially over data privacy, could complicate the deal. Additionally, TikTok's immense valuation makes it a significant financial commitment, even for Musk. Intel, a tech giant in need of innovation. Why it makes sense. Intel has struggled to maintain its dominance in the semiconductor market. Musk's interest in advanced computing for Tesla and SpaceX could benefit from Intel's infrastructure. The story. Musk has long expressed concerns about the dependency on foreign-made chips and has emphasized the need for domestic innovation in semiconductor production. After Intel's rocky performance and reports of possible mergers, Musk jokingly tweeted, "Maybe I should buy Intel and fix it." While it was likely said in jest, the comment fueled speculation about his interest in entering the semiconductor space. Potential impact. Owning Intel could position Musk as a key player in the semiconductor industry, ensuring Tesla's AI and autopilot capabilities remain cutting edge. Estimated cost. Intel's market cap is approximately $95 billion. Acquiring Intel would require about 22% of Musk's wealth. Challenges. Acquiring a tech giant like Intel would necessitate substantial capital and could face antitrust scrutiny, making it a politically and financially complex endeavor. Hasbro, the entertainment connection. Why it makes sense. Musk recently hinted at buying Hasbro, particularly intrigued by its ownership of Dungeons & Dragons. With plans to create an AI-driven gaming studio, acquiring Hasbro could complement this vision. The story. The rumor began when Musk posted, "How much is Hasbro?" on X. This comment came shortly after he expressed frustration with changes to the Dungeons & Dragons franchise, stating that the game had strayed too far from its roots. Musk's enthusiasm for gaming and AI, coupled with his disdain for recent corporate decisions, led many to believe he was seriously considering Hasbro. Potential impact. Hasbro's portfolio, including toys, games, and D&D, could offer Musk opportunities to enter the entertainment space uniquely. Estimated cost. Hasbro's market capitalization is approximately $7.8 billion. This would cost about 1.87% of Musk's wealth, making it a relatively affordable acquisition. Challenges. Hasbro's focus on physical products might not align with Musk's digital-first approach, requiring significant adaptation to his vision. Games Workshop, the Warhammer universe. Why it makes sense. Musk's love for Warhammer 40,000 is no secret. Games Workshop's partnership with Amazon to produce Warhammer media could align with Musk's storytelling ambitions. Additionally, Musk's outspoken stance against diversity, equity, and inclusion (DEI) initiatives could drive his interest in Games Workshop. Recently, the introduction of DEI characters in the Warhammer franchise has polarized fans. Musk might view acquiring Games Workshop as an opportunity to save the franchise and steer it back to its original appeal. The story. Musk's admiration for Warhammer 40K lore was highlighted when he named his son Techno Mechanicus, a term associated with the game. Following recent debates about Games Workshop's direction, Musk commented on X, "Warhammer deserves to stay true to its roots." Fans speculated that Musk's influence could revitalize the franchise. Potential impact. Owning Games Workshop could allow Musk to expand the Warhammer universe across gaming, media, and merchandising. Estimated cost. Games Workshop's market capitalization is approximately $5 billion. This would cost about 1.222% of Musk's wealth, making it a highly affordable option. Challenges. Games Workshop is a niche brand compared to other potential acquisitions, limiting its mass appeal and revenue potential. What do these companies have in common? Innovation potential. Each company offers unique opportunities for Musk to disrupt industries, from social media and tech to entertainment and gaming. Cultural relevance. TikTok and Warhammer appeal to distinct yet significant audiences, while Intel and Hasbro bring legacy value. Challenges ahead. Acquisitions at this scale come with financial, regulatory, and operational hurdles that even Musk might find daunting. Conclusion. Whether it's TikTok, Intel, Hasbro, or Games Workshop, Elon Musk's next acquisition could redefine industries once again. While some of these scenarios are purely speculative, they highlight Musk's influence and ability to spark change. Which company do you think Musk should buy next? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into business and tech. See you tomorrow.